let you down. 'Cause I know I can treat you better than he can. And any girl like you deserves a gentleman. Tell me, why are we wasting time on all your wasted grind when you should be with me instead? I know I can treat you better. Better than he can. Better than he can. Better than he can.
More music, more variety.
including more of your favorites from the 90s.
1013.
I don't practice Santeria. I ain't got no crystal ball. So I had on daughter. I'd spend it all if I could find a honor in that Sancho that she found. Or I'd pop a cap in Sancho and I'd slap her down. But I really wanna know. But I really wanna say I can't define. Well, it's love that I need. Oh, my soul would like to get back. Find a honor of my own. Daddy's gonna love on it all. I feel the break, feel the break, feel the break, and I gotta live it up. Oh yeah, well I swear that well I really wanna know. Well I really wanna say I can't get by. Make it go. My soul will have to. But I really wanna say what I really wanna say is I've got mine. And I'll make it for your sign for me to. I just know that if he knows what is good for him, he's best to run it high. Daddy, 245. And I won't think twice to stick that fast straight down Sancho's throat. Believe me when I say that I got something for him. What I really want to know, my baby, what I really want to say is there's just one way back in our May, yeah. My soul like to
It's Ryan Seacrest with you, and we often talk about fashion when it comes to bathing suits. Is there an in-suit for women now?
Right now, like the cutout trend is really in, where it looks like a one piece, but then it has cutouts, like around the waist part, but it still all connects.
I think I saw that.
Yeah.
Is that a clock? Yeah, it's thick. I've been through a lot, but I'm still flirting. Is everybody back up in the building? It's been a minute, tell me how you feeling. 'Cause I'm about to get into my feelings. How you feeling? How you feel right now? Oh, I've been so down and under pressure. I'm way too fine, I'm feeling stressed, yeah. Oh, girl, yes, he is trying to bring out the fat bit. I give a fuck, wait so much. I'ma need like 2 shots in my cup. Wanna get up, wanna get down. That's how I feel right now. Oh, I've been so down and under pressure. I'm way too fine to feel distressed, yeah. Oh, the girl I was or used to be. Turn up the music, turn down the lights. I got a feeling I'm gonna be alright, okay, alright. It's about that time. Turn up the music, let's celebrate. I got a feeling I'm gonna be okay, alright. It's about that time. 'Cause you know what time it is. I'm coming out tonight. Out tonight. I'm coming out tonight. I'm coming out tonight. I'm coming out tonight. I'm coming out tonight. Okay. Alright. It's about that time. I'm coming out tonight. I'm coming tonight. I'm coming out tonight. I'm coming out tonight. I'm coming out tonight. I'm coming out tonight. Okay. Alright. It's about that time. Yeah. It's about that time. Star 1013.
Star 113.
Made a wrong turn once or twice. Dug my blood and fire. Bad decisions, that's alright. Welcome to my silly life. Mistreated, this place misunderstood. Knowing it's so good, it didn't slow me down. Mistaken, always second guessing, underestimated. Look, I'm still around. Pretty, pretty please, don't you ever feel like you're less than perfect. Pretty, pretty please, if you ever feel like you're nothing, you are perfect to me. You're so mean when you talk. Yourself, you were wrong. Change the voices in your head. Make them like you instead. So complicated. Look how we are making. Filled with so much hatred. Such a tired game. It's enough. I've done all I can think of. She's down on my demons. I see you do the same. Oh, pretty, pretty please, don't you ever feel
Christina was saying that she was at Sugarfish. That is her go-to sushi place. And you were caught staring at Finn Wolfhard.
Yes, from Stranger Things. I'm like 90% sure it was him.
It was.
How do you know?
Someone just texted me that he loves Sugarfish. He talked about it in a podcast in 2020.
What?
So you spotted him.
Okay. God,
You
why
should have
not?
said hi.
Why don't you say? I'm curious to know. So you see someone you think you know from TV, and you don't say hi. I'm
Well,
the same.
No, because I wasn't sure it was him. So what if it wasn't? That would have been so embarrassing.
But can't you say you look like someone famous? Is that you?
Maybe. The other day I saw Mono, and I actually
Where
did say
are you
hi.
going?
This is odd, Sugarfish.
Are you sure you're not on the lot?
I'm not. But I actually did say hi to Ray. I said, hello, Ray Romano. Love you.
Wait,
blah, blah, blah.
I have to say, I thought I ran into Jacob Ellerdy the other day at the supermarket, and he was petting my dog Sunny. I had the perfect in to be like, are you Jacob Ellerdy? And I didn't say it because I was like really kind
Jacob Ellerdy? I wouldn't know it from my song.
Yes, you. The really hot guy from Euphoria. He was dating.
Yes,
he's
I
dating
would know him, but not his name.
No,
he's
I
dating. What's her name now?
I get jealous of hot guys, so I wouldn't have said anything. Hey, that's envy. Hot guy envy.
On Ryan Seacrest.
Identity can be dangerously easy. LifeLock by Norton makes it easy to help protect yourself. No one can prevent all identity theft, but everyone can save up to 25% off their first year. Promo code Ryan at lifelock.com.
On air with Ryan Seacrest.
Star 1013. Everything is more expensive, especially gas.
Star 1013 to the rescue. It's $1,000 gas cash.
There's 13 times every weekday.
Oh my God, that is so awesome. Thank you.
Wake up at 5 a.m. Then again at 25 after the hour, every hour till 6:25 p.m. Get all of the times and details again anytime at 1013.com.
It's more bang for your tank with $1,000 gas cash.
I love you guys.
With the big Star 1013.
Low 50s into the upper 50s overnight tonight around the Bay. Valleys increasing clouds, coast and bayside.
This report is sponsored by ExpressPros.com. Take the stress out of your job search. Visit ExpressPros.com for jobs from a variety of industries. With more than 850 locally owned offices, the Express team is ready to help you find your next job. Go to ExpressPros.com.
It's Marcus from The Morning Show. Your summer just hit the next level. I don't know who needs to hear this, but ice cream and frozen treats are now 25% off at Whole Foods Market. This is between July 6th and the 19th. All the brands you love. 360. Wife's favorite, Good Pop, Genis, Yasso, Cool House, and I love this, Prime members saving an extra 10% on sale items. Save on sweets that meet Whole Foods high standards. You can save on brands that are local to you, too. Visit your local Whole Foods Market today.
This is your time to cash in at Cash Creek Casino Resort. To rock and to roll over the hills and bluffs. Go all out or go all 4 stars and rising stars. Now we do more than ever, so you can do as much or as little as you want. It's your time to cash in at Cash Creek Casino Resort.
On Peacock, Love Island USA is sexier, steamier, and streamier. Soak up the sun on the California coast with a brand new batch of singles who are more than a little ready to mingle. It'll check all your boxes. A new villa, cheesy bombshells, recouplings, and of course, your favorite narrator from Love Island UK, Ian Sterling. Prepare for a summer of nights you'll definitely remember with new never forget. Stream new episodes of Love Island USA, Tuesday through Sunday, only on Peacock.
I've always gotten tons of UTIs. Cranberry products never worked for me, and I was desperate for a way to be proactive. I'm Jenna Ryan, CEO and founder of Eucora. We've worked with doctors to develop effective urinary tract health products. Just mix a packet of Eucora with water and drink it when you need support, like right after intimacy. Eucora is helping over 100,000 women stay healthy. Ready to join them? Get 30% off at eucora.com/radio. That's UQORA.com/radio.
Driving happy with a grease car.
Now,
What's this? You're smiling because your car smells amazing. You just installed a Febreze car vent clip. Ha ha! 5 weeks ago, with up to 40 days of consistent Febreze scent, those lights can stay red for as long.
Here we go again. Another special interest ballot proposition. This time, it's Prop 27.
Written and funded by big out-of-state gambling corporations to allow a massive expansion of online sports gambling.
Prop 27's promoters want to turn every cell phone, every tablet, and every laptop in California into a gambling device.
While 90% of the profits would go to the out-of-state gambling corporations.
Prop 27's promoters claim their proposal is a solution to addiction and homelessness.
Are you kidding me?
Right? Just like we were told the lottery would take care of school funding in California.
The fact is, Prop 27 is just designed to benefit its corporate promoters at the expense of Californians.
Please join our broad statewide coalition, which includes more than 50 Indian tribes across California. Vote no. Proposition 27.
Stop the corporate online gambling prop. Ad paid for by Coalition for Safe Responsible Gaming, sponsored by California Indian Tribes. Committee major funding from Pechanga Band of Indians and Yocha Dihi Winton Nation.
Let's be real. Mopping is a hassle. You have to fill the bucket, pushing the mop around, then cleaning the mop when you're done so it doesn't grow bacteria. A hassle on top of a hassle. Try Swiffer Wet Jet. With Swiffer Wet Jet, you start with a fresh pad and cleaning solution every time. And when you're done, you just toss the pad. Swiffer Wet Jet. The faster, easier, cleaner way to clean your floors.
Now with Xfinity, you'll get unlimited internet with gig speed and supersonic Wi-Fi. With a 2-year internet rate guarantee, no annual contract required, and no equipment fees. Talk about knock your socks off. Ooh, plus a free Flex 4K streaming box. It's like hitting the streaming jackpot. It's all just $50 a month when you add Xfinity Mobile with unlimited data. $50 a month. A price that's truly jaw-dropping.
Oh, literally.
The speed you need at a price you want. Value that's simply bananas. That's the new Xfinity Supersonic Bundle. It's kind of a big deal. Go to Xfinity.com/gig, call 1-800-XFINITY, or visit a store to learn more.
Limited offer. Restrictions apply. Requires paperless billing and auto-pay. New gigabit internet customers only. Xfinity Mobile requires post-pay Xfinity Internet. Up to 24 months. Regular rates apply to all services and devices.
By texting 64000, you agree to receive recurring automated marketing messages from Babbel. Message and data rates may apply. No purchase required. Terms apply. Available at babbel.com/TNC.
I thought learning a language would be too much work. Then I discovered Babbel. They make learning fun. J'aime Babbel.
Babbel's lessons only take 10 or 15 minutes. And in 3 short weeks, I turned around and realized, hey, I can actually speak another language. It's como mafia.
My friend from Italy said my accent and pronunciation is perfect. It's because Babbel's lessons are designed by language teachers and voiced by real native speakers.
I love that there's all kinds of ways to learn. Babbel's podcasts or games or videos.